I'm Jason Wainwright, VP of Sales for North Carolina here at May RHI. We're the Hyundai dealer in the Carolinas. We've been a Hyundai dealer now for about 18 years. The customers really like the HiMate system. It gives them an opportunity to protect their fleet. They're able to monitor their service intervals. They're able to geo-fence, and they're able to use it for utilization as far as what job sites are using what hours. HiMate is very useful for our rental fleet. We are able to track our rental units while they're out on the job sites. We can check for service intervals when they're due. We can geo-fence to make sure that they don't leave the respected areas of our rental customers. The service guys use it for protecting our customers' fleet. They're able to track down the machine to find out where it's located if we're going to do a service call. They're able to check on the service intervals for the customer. And if there is an issue, the issue alerts us and makes us able to bring a part with us to reduce the downtime.
I take care of the preventative maintenance for all of our rental fleet. I use lots of different telematics sites to gather hours once a month for our records to determine if they are due for service. I have found with using over 10 different manufacturer sites that I do prefer HiMate by Hyundai. It's very user-friendly. It's always an efficient website. It's very easy for me to export an Excel spreadsheet so that I can more efficiently get those hours on record. And I just like it. It's very user-friendly.